Hey guys, today we're going to look at how to get better at the guitar. So are you looking to take your guitar playing skills to the next level? Whether you're a beginner strumming your first chords or an intermediate player seeking refinement, mastering the guitar is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and consistent practice. In this guide, we'll explore various techniques, tips, and resources to help you enhance your guitar skills and become the musician you aspire to be. So number one, establish clear goals. Okay, define your objectives and aspirations as a guitar player, whether it's mastering a particular song, improving finger dexterity, or understanding music theory. Having clear goals will guide you to your practice sessions and keep you motivated. So for me personally, I wanted to become a rock star, inverted commas, and I feel like every day that I practiced, I wanted to go and do a gig. And I wanted to get out there, and I managed to do that. I've played in front of lots of people, and it's been very enjoyable. So establishing that clear goal and have that carrot on the end of the stick to move towards is super helpful. So practice regularly. Consistency is the key to improvement. So set aside dedicated practice time each day, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes. Regular practice builds muscle memory, strengthens technique, enhances overall proficiency. So practicing 15 to 30 minutes will get you there in the end. But if you follow the 10,000 hour rule, which is your key to mastery, if you do 10,000 hours of focus practice on a particular subject, in this case guitar, then you'll achieve mastery. Now, if you did 1 hour a day, and it's taken 10,000 hours, it takes about 27 years to reach that mastery. So, okay, fair enough. Start with 15 to 30 minutes. You will achieve some really good success. You don't necessarily want to become a master, that might not be your goal, but just to give you an overview, because some people will play for 10 years and they come to me and they say, why aren't I where I want to be? But it's because they haven't done the 10,000 hours, they haven't put that super time in to reach that mastery level. So just remember the 15 to 30 minutes all adds up, just like brushing your teeth. Do a little bit each day. It will make a huge difference. Focus on fundamentals. So mastering the basics lays a solid foundation for advanced techniques. Spend time practicing scales, chords, and arpeggios to improve finger strength, coordination, and fretboard familiarity. I can't even say that word, but so just focusing on songs is great. You can learn a ton from songs, lots of different arpeggios and chords and chord changes and this, that, and the other. But you can almost shortcut your success a little bit by just focusing on the technique side. So just practicing arpeggios or just practicing chords or chord changes. And then when you come to play the songs, you'll be like, I've actually practiced that pattern already. I can now apply it to the notes of this particular song. So that can really help. Learn songs that you love. So just like we mentioned, learning songs that inspire you can make practice sessions more enjoyable and fulfilling. So start with simpler tunes and gradually progress to more complex pieces as your skills improve. So you could start with something as basic as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or Happy Birthday or something silly like that. Do some 2-chord songs, then some 4-chord songs, and then just keep elevating from there. But don't be disheartened if you can't play your favorite song straight away and it's not making sense. Just keep trying and coming back to it. If it's not working that month, try it again in a year, 6 months or whatever. Do it another time. So using proper technique, so pay attention to your posture, your hand positioning, your picking technique. Proper form not only improves your playing efficiency, but also helps prevent injuries in the long run. So getting some feedback for a teacher, a coach or something like that, or a friend, or filming yourself and having a look at your positioning and everything to see how you can improve. But the first step really is just to have a go each day. You might learn some bad techniques along the way, but at least you'll learn some good things as well. So practice with a metronome. So this is super key. So developing a sense of timing and rhythm is crucial for any guitarist. Practice along with a metronome to improve your timing and accuracy overall. Musicality. So for me personally, when I came to the studio for the first time, maybe like 5 years into me playing, I was trying to record and someone put the beat on and I just couldn't play. I couldn't play in time. I recorded it, it sounded awful, so I just had to keep trying. So if you don't want to use a metronome, try a drum beat. You can find some free drum beats on YouTube. Just type in 60 beats per minute drum beat, or 80 or 100, and try and play some notes along in time with the drum beat. It's a little bit more rhythmic, a little bit more enjoyable than just hearing that beep that just goes beep. If you can get used to the metronome, you can get some serious timing in there, but if you want to use a drum beat, I would recommend that much more. So as I mentioned before, record yourself. Recording your practice sessions allows you to review your performance objectively. So listen for areas of improvement such as timing errors, note clarity and dynamics, and work on refining aspects. So sometimes I record myself on my phone, either a video or a voice note. I'll listen and I'll be playing away and I'll be like, oh, this sounds great, I'm really loving this. And then I'll listen back and I'll be like, that just doesn't sound very good. So sometimes when you're holding the guitar, you can feel the vibrations and, you know, you're in the moment and you're like enjoying it. But when you listen back, it can sound not how you thought it might sound. So really important that you listen back and have a objective view. Maybe playing it to someone else, again, is good, but if it's just a mate, and they don't know this from that, they could give you different feedback. So if you really want to improve, then send it to a guitar teacher or something like that, and they can give you more expert opinion on what you're playing and how to improve it. So seek feedback. So just like I mentioned, guitar teachers really help. So don't hesitate to send feedback to more experienced guitarists or instructors. Constructive criticism can provide valuable insights and help you identify areas for improvement that you may have overlooked. So there's lots of guitar courses out there where you can learn just from watching videos, but if you send the recording to an actual person and they actually listen to it and they give you direct feedback, it makes a huge difference. So have a go at doing that, and it makes a huge difference. So explore different styles and techniques. So broaden your musical horizons by experimenting with various playing styles such as fingerstyle, blues, jazz, or rock. Learning different techniques and genres not only keeps your practice routine interesting, but also enhances your versatility as a guitar player. Now, this isn't a hard and fast rule. Again, it's totally up to you. If you just love metal or you just love jazz, there's plenty in there for you to practice and speed up and to do. But if you did learn some other styles, you can then apply it to your particular loved playing style. So have a go at some different songs that are outside your comfort zone, and it will break some barriers down, and you can then apply it to your metal compositions or your blues or your jazz or whatever you're trying to make. And you'll learn a new technique and new styles, which I think is really helpful. So next is practice, patience, and persistence. This is a tricky one. So remember that mastering the guitar is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Stay committed to your goals and celebrate your achievements no matter how small they are. So a few ways that you can have additional resources. So online classes. Platforms like YouTube and various other sources offer a wealth of free tutorials and lessons for guitarists of all skill levels. So including my channel, other channels, you can learn a ton. Online guitar teachers, we offer some guitar lessons. We got a free guitar class if you want to go and grab that. guitarjourneyweybridge.com/self-appointments, just in the whatever description here. So if you want to go and jump on a class, let me know and we'll get that booked in for you. You can buy books, tablature, sheet music. Websites like Ultimate Guitar and Songster provide a vast collection of guitar tabs and sheet music for popular songs across various genres. Books and instructional DVDs. Okay, DVDs are a little bit outdated now, but people still sell them, so you might be able to find some. But generally, buying courses and learning new things and practicing them can really help deepen your understanding of music theory, technique, and improvisation. Or a local teacher, finding a teacher close to you who can come to your house, or you go to their studio. That's another way you can get that face-to-face interaction. Okay, or there's lots of like group courses, or you could go to a jam night. There's loads of stuff going on, so you just got to do some research. But if you want our help, just jump down in the link below. So becoming a proficient guitar player requires dedication, discipline, and passion for music. Okay, so listening to music is a huge one. Listen to lots of music because it's really going to help you understand different genres, understand how music's put together and why you love the music. So if you analyze it, play it, understand it, you can then replicate it and have a good time. So set clear goals, practice regularly, focus on fundamentals, explore various resources and techniques so you can embark on a rewarding journey of self-improvement and musical growth. Remember, the key to success lies in consistent practice, patience, and a willingness to continually learn and evolve as a musician. So pick up your guitar, embrace the journey, and let the music guide you towards mastery. Okay, happy playing. Take care.